Hi, I'm BondJP, the local traveler. In this video, we are going to visit two famous tourist attractions in Phuket. The first is the Big Buddha Viewpoint, where we can see a 360-degree panoramic view, and then we will go to visit Wat Chalong, or the most sacred temple in Phuket. Are you ready for it? Now I'm driving up the hill to the Big Buddha Viewpoint, which is 16 kilometers away from the old town. On the way, I can see the sea from time to time. There are many fun activities that you can enjoy, such as ATV and elephant riding. The Buddha image sits on the top of Nakurt Hills, and it's 45 meters tall. This place is not yet the temple but the Buddha garden. It opens from 6:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. According to this map, there are so many donation points here. The main statue was built in 2004 and is 25 meters across at the base. The name of this Buddha image means happiness on the top of this mountain. Moreover, this place is known as the best 360-degree panoramic viewpoint. This is the view from the viewpoint in front of the Big Buddha. I can see the lower east side of Phuket. There is Chalong Pier and Got Lon down there. There's a giant gong here and it's made for hitting. Let's check out what's up there. The whole body of the Buddha is made of reinforced concrete, layered with beautiful Burmese white jade marble that shines in the sun. Let's look around. It's going to rain soon, and I'm standing up here close to the storm clouds, so it made me feel lonely and scared at the same time. There are golden Bodhi leaves that you may write your wish and your name. There are statues of mythical creatures such as Erawan and Garuda. Behind the Buddha statue, I can see Karun Beach and the lower west side of Phuket. There is a Bodhi tree up here and it's decorated with golden Bodhi leaves. Behind the tree, there is a viewpoint, and I can see Cape Promthep, Katat Beach, and Karun Beach. back to the ground floor. There are Buddhist statues. There's a cute little guardian taking a nap. You may make a donation here and there is a coin service available. Just put the money in the safe box and grab the bowl of coins. Then make a wish and put a coin in each bowl. It's time to move to the next destination. This is Wat Chalong or Wat Chaithararam. It is the largest and the most revered temple in Phuket. Locals and Thai tourists usually come to pray and pay respects to the founder Luang Por Cham, who led the citizen of Chalong sub-district fighting against the Chinese rebellion in 1876. There is a 60-meter tall jetty called พระมหาเจดีย์จอมไทยบารมีประกาศ On the ground floor, there are many donated golden Buddha statues in different poses. On the second floor, there is a marble Buddha statue surrounded by golden Buddha statues. Above the second floor, there is a terrace where you can walk around and enjoy the vibe. At the top, there is a glass display where the fragment of the bone of the Buddha is displayed. From here, I can see the entire temple with the background of the mountains, and it is so beautiful. There is a renovated residence of Luang Por Cham, the revered monk, where you can go inside and see. Sometimes you may find a rooster finding food. There is a mandapa. Inside, there are 3 statues of monks, which locals usually gilt with gold leaves. There is a brick oven-like construction, It is used for firing the firecrackers, as the locals believed it's the way to make merit and show gratitude when one of their wishes comes true. There is the chapel or Pra Ubosot, where we can find religious ceremonies. And today there is an ordination. And that's it for this video. If you enjoy the content, please hit the like button if you haven't already and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the upcoming content. If you are planning to visit Thailand, why don't you just check out this QR code or the link in the description? There are so many tours that you can experience while staying in Thailand. In the next video, I am going to let you know more about the recommended local food in Phuket, from the street vendors to Michelin Guide restaurants, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.